Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a lovely day, fantastic week, whatever it is that you're doing. So in today's video, this is my first ever cooking video. I don't know how to edit these, but we're just going with the flow. So I'm going to show you guys how I made these oats and banana pancakes. They're my absolutely fave and I really like them. If you're still watching, please hit that subscribe button. I really would appreciate the support. Okay guys, so as you can see, these are all the ingredients that I used to make the pancakes. You can find a comprehensive list on my blog, so if you just look into the description box below, you will see the link to my blog. Now I used a blender to mix all of my ingredients. You don't have to. You can use a whisk and you can mash up all the ingredients in a bowl with a whisk or a fork, should you so wish to. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna just put in some small pieces of banana inside the blender. Do not put a whole piece of banana in there. You're gonna find it hard to blend, and make sure your bananas are very ripe. The riper they are, the softer and easier they are to manage. Next, I'm gonna put in 2 large eggs. The eggs that I've used are the free range eggs from Asda. You can use any eggs which you prefer to use. Yeah. Next, I'm gonna add some rolled oats. I've put in about 4 scoops of rolled oats in with the bananas. Next is some baking powder. With the baking powder, I was a bit generous here because I wanted my pancakes to be very fluffy. So instead of just 1 tablespoon, I added 2 tablespoons so that I have nice, thick, fluffy pancakes. And next is some oat milk, just to help blend the ingredients. I only put a tiny little bit of oat milk. I did not put a lot. I just didn't want my pancakes to be very runny, just wanted to have the right consistency. Okay, so next I took on this non-stick pan. Just putting the heat on. Then I added just a teaspoon of butter. Now this is absolutely optional, you don't have to, but I just wanted to. Next I poured in the mixture, so you want to do this nice and slow to create that perfect pancake shape. After a couple of minutes, obviously turned the pancakes. So I took the spatula and if you noticed, I slowly put it under the pancake to make sure that the pancake is cooked underneath and it's ready to be turned. Okay, so next I've plated up my beautiful pancakes. So I've made about 5 pancakes on there and I'm just drizzling some honey on the top. You don't have to put honey on the top because the bananas will make the pancakes sweet, but I just wanted some honey. So yeah guys, this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed watching this quick little tutorial, I guess. Be sure to comment, like and subscribe and share this video with everyone. Thank you guys once again. Until the next one, bye.